The exterior combines natural stone and wooden elements, creating a harmonious blend with the surrounding environment. The patio showcases a cozy seating area with a plush, neutral-toned sofa, a rustic wooden coffee table, and an intricately patterned rug. Lush greenery and autumn foliage surround the space, enriching the scene with warm earth tones. Spacious modern living room with a high ceiling, featuring a large stone fireplace at the center. The room is bathed in warm, soft lighting with golden hues, creating a cozy ambience. Large black-framed windows provide a view of a lush, green forest outside, allowing natural light to flood in. The furniture includes a minimalist black sofa on the left and a light-colored couch with soft, textured cushions on the right. A woven area rug defines the seating area, with a rectangular rattan coffee table in the center. A wooden dining table with simple, elegant chairs is visible in the background, paired with open shelving displaying rustic decor. Modern architectural interior featuring an open-plan living space seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor areas. The scene showcases a large concrete overhang supported by sleek pillars, with floor-to-ceiling glass doors that open to a spacious wooden deck. The interior is decorated with minimalist furnishings, including a large, inviting, gray sofa with plush cushions, a low black coffee table, and elegant wooden shelving illuminated by warm ambient lighting. The kitchen area features dark wood cabinets with subtle golden highlights, and a tasteful arrangement of modern kitchenware. A modern, open-concept living room with a large, L-shaped gray fabric sofa adorned with cozy pillows, featuring a central wooden coffee table. The space is illuminated by natural light streaming through expansive glass walls, revealing a serene view of lush greenery outside. A light wooden dining area is visible through the glass, enhancing the connection to nature. The kitchen area features dark cabinetry and wood accents, creating a harmonious blend of warmth and sophistication. Earthy tones dominate the color palette, with rich browns, soft grays, and touches of green from indoor plants, complemented by woven textures from a jute rug. A cozy, modern living room with an elegant yet inviting atmosphere, showcasing a striking contrast between dark walls and a warm, glowing fireplace. The design features rich, black paneling and a coffered ceiling, lending a luxurious feel. Large windows on either side of the room reveal vibrant autumn foliage outside, enhancing the warmth of the space with natural light. The color palette includes deep blacks, warm browns, and muted gold accents. In the foreground, a plush gray sofa is adorned with textured throw pillows, accompanying a stylish armchair and a round poof. Spacious modern living room with large floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking a serene lake, featuring a cozy, sunlit atmosphere. The interior design combines natural materials like rough concrete walls, wooden beams, and a soft, neutral palette of beige and cream. A low, oversized sectional sofa with plush cushions invites relaxation, complemented by a round woven coffee table and a textured area rug. In the background, a neatly stacked pile of firewood adds warmth. Lush greenery and tall grasses are visible outside the windows, enhancing the connection to nature. Interior of a modern, spacious living room featuring large windows that provide a serene view of a lush forest and calm water. The aesthetic is hyper-realistic, showcasing a blend of natural and contemporary design elements. The room has a high, vaulted ceiling with exposed wooden beams, enhancing the warm, inviting atmosphere. A dark, plush sectional sofa with white throw pillows is positioned around a rustic wooden coffee table, which holds a few decorative items and plants. A light, woven area rug sprawls across the wooden floorboards, adding texture. Cozy modern living room interior, hyper-realistic style, featuring a spacious, plush gray sectional sofa adorned with soft cushions, large round floor pouf in beige, and a textured area rug on warm wooden flooring. Behind the sofa, a full black wall showcases built-in bookshelves, filled with an eclectic mix of books and decorative artifacts made from natural materials. To the left, a black fireplace with a soft flicker of flames provides warmth, complemented by a potted green plant nearby. Spacious, modern interior scene blending rustic charm with contemporary design. The setting features an open-concept living area that seamlessly transitions into a kitchen. The aesthetic is a mix of minimalism and industrial, with a hint of warmth from natural materials. The color palette showcases soft beiges, muted grays, and rich browns, complemented by natural light streaming in through large glass windows. Key elements include a cozy, white linen sofa adorned with textured pillows, a large wooden coffee table with an organic shape, and a woven basket on the floor. Cozy modern living room interior, featuring a large white sofa adorned with textured cushions in earthy tones, a circular wooden coffee table at the center, and a warm, crackling fireplace framed by rustic wood paneling. The setting includes large glass windows showcasing a serene winter landscape with snow-covered trees outside. Soft, ambient lighting from candles on the coffee table and a minimalist floor lamp enhances the inviting atmosphere. Cozy living room with a large stone fireplace, warm flames flickering, ambient light filtering through large, paned windows showcasing a colorful autumn landscape outside, dark wooden beams crossing the ceiling, rich textures throughout, a soft beige sectional sofa adorned with creamy throw pillows, layered on a vibrant patterned area rug with deep reds and oranges, rustic wooden coffee table with a floral arrangement, and neatly arranged tea set, accented by woven baskets and cozy poofs. Aesthetic is a blend of modern rustic and bohemian charm, color palette featuring warm browns, soft neutrals. Cozy modern living room featuring an inviting sectional sofa with a mix of textured throw pillows, a large, rustic wooden. The walls are painted in warm orange tones, highlighted by natural light filtering through expansive glass doors that open to a lush garden. Emphasize the intricately woven wall hanging above the table, complemented by abundant greenery in the form of potted plants on either side. A wooden sideboard accentuates the room, displaying minimal decor items. A cozy dining room featuring a large rustic wooden table surrounded by 8 orange upholstered chairs, set against a backdrop of vintage wooden cabinets and textured walls. The scene is illuminated by natural light streaming in through an open door, revealing lush green plants outside. A large macrame wall hanging serves as a focal point, adding a bohemian touch. The floor is adorned with a rich, traditional rug that complements the earthy tones of the room. Cozy cafe exterior at dusk, featuring a warm, inviting atmosphere. The building has rich, exposed red brick walls, adorned with lush green plants cascading down from the upper edge. Large glass windows reveal an intimate interior setting with wooden tables and chairs, illuminated by soft yellow lighting. The scene includes decorative chalkboards on the wall displaying the menu, and bottles neatly arranged on shelves behind the counter. The color palette consists of earthy tones, with vibrant greens from the plants and warm browns from the wood. A spacious dining area featuring a large, round wooden table at the center, surrounded by plush, circular rattan chairs with soft white cushions. The setting is illuminated by warm, natural light streaming through expansive, multi-paned windows that frame a lush garden filled with vibrant greenery. The walls are adorned with textured brick, adding an earthy contrast to the space. A light, woven rug lies beneath the table, enhancing the cozy atmosphere. Overhead, elegant pendant lights made from natural materials hang, creating a harmonious blend with the organic elements of the room. Cozy dining room scene featuring a polished wooden table set with simple, elegant dishware, including black plates and transparent glasses. Overhead, 3 softly glowing pendant lights with ribbed glass shades hang, casting warm, inviting light. A delicate vase filled with dried flowers sits as a centerpiece, accompanied by subtle floral arrangements in the background. The setting is adorned with natural elements, including a branch with blossoms delicately arranged, and shelves displaying tasteful decor items. A cozy, inviting dining room interior, showcasing a blend of rustic and modern aesthetics. The scene is set with a dark green accent wall adorned with eclectic framed art and botanical prints, contributing to a serene atmosphere. Sunlight filters through large windows, illuminating a wooden dining table surrounded by simple yet elegant chairs. The table is set with candles, creating a warm ambience. Lush indoor plants in various pots surround the space, adding vibrant shades of green and bursts of color from flowering plants. A warm and inviting modern kitchen dining area featuring a long wooden table surrounded by rattan chairs. Above the table, 2 large woven pendant lights cast a soft glow. The walls are painted in neutral tones with large windows allowing natural light to flood the space, highlighting the green plants on the windowsills and the large potted ferns in the center of the table. The cabinetry is a mix of rustic wood and glass, displaying various elegant dishware. The floor is a gray stone tile, with a large woven jute rug underneath the table, creating a cozy atmosphere. The A spacious, sunlit dining area featuring a rustic wooden dining table with a wide, natural finish set in the center. Surrounding the table are comfortable, woven chairs with light upholstery. Above the table, two large rattan pendant lights cast a warm, inviting glow. The room has large black framed windows that open to a lush green landscape, creating a seamless connection with the outdoors. The walls are painted in soft, neutral tones, enhancing the airy feel. On the table, a simple centerpiece of fresh greenery in a ceramic vase adds a touch of life. The kitchen area is visible in the background, showcasing open shelving with neatly arranged dishware and a sleek kitchen sink. A spacious dining area featuring a long, rustic wooden table with a natural finish, surrounded by plush, cream-colored, padded chairs with woven bases. The setting is bright and airy, characterized by large windows that allow soft, diffused natural light to stream in, creating a warm atmosphere. The room showcases an assortment of potted greenery and elegant dinnerware atop the table, with several textured ceramics and a central bowl filled with plants. The walls are adorned with large, arched mirrors that reflect the light and add depth. Spacious modern living room with large glass walls showcasing an outdoor scene filled with autumn foliage, characterized by warm golden light filtering in. A contemporary, minimalist design featuring a low-profile, white fabric sectional sofa, a natural wood coffee table, and a textured area rug in neutral tones. The dining area features a long wooden table with stylish chairs, surrounded by subtle decorative elements like a vase with dried flowers and modern artwork on the walls. Concrete pillars and ceiling contrast with the warm wood accents, creating a harmonious blend of textures. A cozy and inviting dining room featuring a large wooden table